Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to be doing a root beer soap. I'm using the root beer fragrance oil from Nature's Garden, and oh my goodness, this smells exactly like root beer. My husband has been begging me to make him a root beer soap. He loves everything root beer, so this one's for Eric. Then for the colors, I'm going to be using Tall, Dark, and Handsome from Mad Micas. And I'm going to give another try to this Snow White white mica from Mad Micas. So it's mainly just going to be those two colors, darker on the bottom. I'm going to combine them to make a medium brown to swirl toward the top, and then a white top to be like the foamy part. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to add my lye water to my oils. Right, there we go. All right, now it's time to stick blend. Okay, that looks good for the first part. Alright, then I'm gonna split off the medium brown and the white. Okay. So here's the Tall, Dark, and Handsome mica. And here's the Snow White. It did say that this fragrance oil does slightly accelerate trace, so I'm gonna be a little cautious. Like, it's not going to bother me too much if it goes into medium trace. That's fine. I just don't want it to get too super thick. And the fragrance oil doesn't really discolor anything, so that'll be good. Oh yeah, that's a nice, rich root beer soda color. Oh, that's a nice medium brown. Yeah, and I do still think I need to add a little bit of titanium dioxide to get it to like a true white, but not too much. Let's see. Yeah, I think I need to add more titanium dioxide. I just really wanted it to be like a white, foamy white, so bear with me for just a minute while I get my titanium dioxide. now let's go ahead and add in the first bit of fragrance oil. Yeah, I definitely really like how these colors are looking. Oh, and it smells so good. There we go. Let's go ahead and get the mold then. Oop. Man, I'm knocking into everything today. My goodness. Okay, and I'm gonna add in all of this dark brown mixture. Gotta scrape out the bowl, make sure I'm getting all these goodies. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Let me get the next layer in, which is going to be the medium brown color. There we go, that looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. And again, I'm gonna scrape down the container, make sure I'm getting all of this in. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna put the hanger through it and swirl it a few times. I'm not gonna try and bring it all the way to the bottom, but just swirl toward the top a bit. There we go. That's all I need. Okay. And now then to just get my white ready. Yeah, I really do want this a bright white, and unfortunately I do need to end up using a lot of white because my mixture is just so green and yellow. Okay. And before I finalize and do that, I do want to wipe down the sides of my mold because where there is going to be white, I do want to make sure that the edges are fairly clean. Just don't want brown going up the whole sides. Okay. There we go. That should be good. And I'm gonna pound this down a little bit, make sure I'm getting all the air bubbles out. There we go. That looks good. I'm gonna pour it down my spatula to make sure it's not going too far deep. And again, scrape down the sides. All right, and then one last time I'm gonna pound it down. Whoop. That was impressive. All right, now I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then while it hardens up, then I'm going to go in and texture the top just a little bit. I'll see you in a minute. So we're back. I let it sit about 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna play around and texturize the top just a little bit. I just love how this looks, and the smell of this fragrance is just amazing. I love it. There we go, and I think I'm gonna leave it just like that, just a little bit of texture. And then I've got my spritzer again with the Sparkle Plenty Mica glitter from Mad Micas, just to give it a little bit of fun shimmer on top. And that'll be about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my 99% rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. I'm back to cut my root beer float soap. It's been about 18 hours, and I have noticed that it's a little bit on the soft side still, so next time I make this I'm gonna have to try to remember to let it wait probably 2 days before I cut it, but I'm just gonna roll with it today. Let's go ahead and do the first cut. Woo! Oh, that looks really nice, like the dark plus some of the light and then the foam on top. That's exactly what I was thinking of when I had this design in mind. Let me move this a little bit so you guys can see a little better. Right. And then the next one. Oh, there we go. Just really nice. I love this one. And the fragrance is definitely has stuck. Oh, so cute. I love it. Oh, my husband's gonna love this one. This is a really nice soap. And especially with the little swirly and shimmer detail on top. I just love it. There we go. Yeah, I really love these tall and skinny molds from Nurture Soap. They're just so perfect, and they fit exactly perfect in my soap boxes. I just absolutely love them. There we go. Yeah, I just definitely love this design. Go. Oh, just so cute. And then enough for one more. Ooh. There we go. This is the Root Beer Float Soap. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.